Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to close or delete a board on Trello. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So click on Trello, and now as you can see I have created two boards here. I have created one just for showing you how you can delete. So we're just going to click on that board. Now what you need to do is click on these three dots here, and again you need to click on these three dots, and what you need to do is go at the bottom part of the app, scroll to the bottom, and you will see a close board option. When you click on it, it will permanently close your board. So just simply click on close board, and as you can see our board has been closed. Okay, so maybe I'm wrong, you can also reopen that board by clicking on it, but it will only appear here. When you close this link, you will not be able to open the board. So we'll just simply click on back, and as you can see, we have successfully deleted our board. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a wonderful day.